lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support, and if you are a newbie, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification button. This is fresh aloe vera from my own garden, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to use this aloe vera to improve the texture of your hair. I got this aloe vera out from my farm, and I'm gonna be showing you how to use the juice of aloe vera to improve the firmness, strength, and the shine of your hair. So I'm practically splitting open the aloe vera leaf to scoop out the juice from the leaf. The juice is what we need. We don't really need the leaf, except you need to prepare aloe vera oil, which will be my next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification button to enjoy all the goodies this channel has to provide. So right now I'm still scooping out all the aloe vera juice from the leaf. It's so essential because I want to get out everything from the aloe vera leaf. Want to get out all the juice, and I'm gonna be turning it into a paste by blending it. I just did, and I'm applying it on my toddler's hair. Sorry, please bear with me. This is the best shot I can get from her. So I completely added it and allowed it to stay for 15 minutes before I washed it with any shampoo. You can wash it with any shampoo of your choice. Look at that, it's already beautiful. So I'm going to be applying Luana coconut oil. Luana coconut oil is pure coconut oil, nothing added, nothing, no smell, no taste. It's just pure natural coconut oil. I mean pure coconut oil. If you're looking for the best coconut oil to use, I recommend Luana coconut oil because it doesn't have any additional ingredients, and it's pure coconut oil. You can as well use Luana coconut oil for cooking, for salting. If you want to saute your meals, your vegetables, you can also use it for, steaming and all that. So but right now I'm using Luana coconut oil on my toddler's hair because I love the feel it gives me. It gives me a wonderful texture on my daughter's hair. It gives me the shine I love so much. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm adding extra bonus to this video by showing you how to style a toddler's hair. So all right, continue enjoying the video. I hope you love the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get more videos, and also be the first person to watch my videos once I post them. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video where I'll be showing you how to make pure aloe vera oil that improves your hair texture and improves growth. Also know that the growth of your hair is largely dependent on hereditary or genetic makeup, so to say, but the result you get from applying natural ingredients on your hair differs from one person to the other. For some it is quick, for some it takes a slower process. Don't panic, you just keep maintaining your hair. For some it takes them longer period before they start seeing results on their hair, and for some it takes them it's very, very quick. So whichever way, just keep adding natural ingredients to your hair, and don't panic when you don't see the results immediately. You just keep adding the natural ingredients, and with time your hair will blossom. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. All right, bye, love you.